Hello everyone. In this video, we will install Python Oracle DB and then create and run a Python application on Linux to connect to an on-premise Oracle database. First, I have logged into my Linux machine, which is running Oracle Linux version 8 operating system. Now, Oracle Linux 8 machines come installed with Python 3.6. Now, although Python 3.6 is installed by default on Oracle Linux systems, I prefer using a newer version of Python. To get the latest supported versions of Python in your Linux systems, it is advisable to follow the instructions in the yum website from the link that is shown on the screen. Now, going back to my Linux terminal, you will see that I have installed version 3.9.2. This is based on the instructions on the website that was shown earlier. Next, we will install the Python Oracle DB driver. The package of this driver is registered as Oracle DB in the PyPy or Python package repository. So you will see me using Oracle DB or Python Oracle DB interchangeably. Don't worry, they are one and the same. Now we can use the pip module with the Python command to work with Python modules and packages. So to check the availability of a particular package, I use the show command under the pip module. So in this case, I'm going to check for Oracle DB. So the Oracle DB package is not yet installed. Let's go ahead and install the Oracle DB driver on this machine. Now, since I'm running behind a company proxy, I need to use the -- proxy attribute with the pip command to give the proxy details. So we have to give the complete proxy details, including the HTTP or HTTPS or whatever protocol that we're using. Then we use the install command to install the Oracle DB package. It is always advisable to use the -- upgrade and -- user attributes with the install command so that the latest version of the Oracle DB driver is successfully installed without any access permission issues. So as you can see, the Oracle DB driver is successfully installed. Let us now check it again using the show command. So you get all the details of the package that has been installed, such as the version, summary, author, etc. Now let us run the Python command line and see if we can use the Oracle DB package. I'm going to just say import Oracle DB. So there is no error here, which means that the package can be used in any Python program. So let's quickly check it using a one-liner. I'm going to check the Oracle DB version. It prints out the latest version. So with that, we have successfully installed the Python Oracle DB driver in the Linux machine. Next up, you have to have a local or remote database handy, which can be accessed by your Linux machine. So I have a remote database running in a different Linux machine, which I'll be using for my application. Now in Linux, I'm going to use the VI editor to create my application and then use normal Python execution to run the Python app. So I've already copied the application to connect to the database. It's called connect.py. So let me just show you the details. Now the connect.py file is a simple Python application that quickly connects to an on-premise database, which is remote in my case, and accesses information from the database. So let me open the connect.py application in the VI editor. So in the application code, I start off with the import section where I specify all the external modules and packages required for running the program. In this case, I require the Python Oracle DB module and also the getPass module for fetching the password from the user in a secure manner without displaying it on the terminal. Then I set the username and the connect string for the remote database and also get the password securely through the getPass module. Finally, we pass all these user and data configuration attributes to the connect function of the Oracle DB module to create a connection object. So when a connection object is created successfully, we can use it to access and work with the data in Oracle database. So in this example, we are just going to print the database version. So let's quickly run this program. It's asking me for the password. Once I enter the correct password, I'm able to connect to the Oracle database and get the database version. So we are able to create a database connection object successfully and then access Oracle database through this connection object in this app. That concludes this video. We have more videos on Python Oracle DB coming up. Till then, take care.